Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and this one right here is mini, and this thing right here is 32 inches tall. This thing is super, super big, and of course they like it. We kind of like put this one for a really nice purpose that we wanted to do. We wanted something like this to protect the back of our furniture. We have a big couch, and some parts of the back of the sofa, they're exposed, so they were kind of like starting to scratch a little bit. So we put this one and another one that we have, that probably I'm going to show you in another video. And this one actually they really like, because they have that bed up there to actually rest and be close to us when we're watching movies or something like that. But they also have 32 inches of a scratching post right here. They have this kind of like little toy that comes with a spare one. Actually, you can attach this one to the wall if you want. It comes with kind of like this strap over here that you can attach to the wall if you need. But if not, they have this fluffy bed over here. They have this big post over here. And this base, besides being a little bit like fluffy as well, it's also really big. So this thing won't be kind of like flimsy at all. Let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, this is a big, big base, so it won't move. And they also can kind of like, I don't know, like rest right here, take a nap or something like on the side. But this thing right here is so, so big. They have this big scratching post that is going to be not flimsy at all. So they can use it and use it like pretty much like strongly if they want, actually. But also having this bed over here is also a nice thing for them to be kind of like close to us or closer to us as well. And it's super fluffy, as you can see over here. What are you doing, Minnie? But yeah, of course I like this thing because it's tall, it's big, it's not flimsy, super easy to assemble, and it provides a really nice place for them to rest a little bit and take a nap. But also if they're stressed or something like that, they can actually take this one with the scratching post. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.